Use U.S. electronics in Europe with this power cord. Connector 1. C13 IEC. Connector 2. C7/7 male. Use U.S. electronics across Europe. One end of this power cord will work with most PCs, monitors, scanners, printers and other devices that use the 3-pin shroud power connector. The other end features a 2-prong Schuko European plug. The female connector plugs directly into device, while the male connector plugs into the standard European outlet. This premium, heavy-duty, 14 Aruban Florins cord features a fully molded design for maximum durability and long life. Top reviews from the United States. TV flow. I needed the cord for a TV that predates flat screens. This TV is old as my son. I plan on getting a longer cord. I didn't measure right for it, but the important this it fits and works.